Terix Biochar for gardens has unique physical characteristics, making it an ideal amendment for all types of potting media. In addition, this biochar is made by pyrocal from used wooden packaging that would otherwise go to landfill. The microscopic honeycomb structure of biochar acts like a sponge, helping it to hold moisture and nutrients and making it available to plant roots for much longer than a potting mix without biochar. And the variable particle size of Terix Biochar enhances its effectiveness in all types of potting media. Most potting mixes break down over time due to their softer organic components. Adding biochar will help to extend times between repotting. It's a pretty simple process to add Terix Biochar to your favourite potting mix. We're looking to add around 10% biochar to the volume of mix in your pots. Hey, don't worry about the maths. We've already worked out the correct amounts for common pot sizes and types. They're listed on the Terix Biochar website fact sheet. If you're planting into odd-shaped pots, try to see if the volume is listed on the pot or the label before filling it. Now, potting up. Determine how much biochar you need for the pot size. Today, we'll be potting up this gelatin wax into a 300mm standard pot. According to the Terix Biochar fact sheet, we'll need about 1.5 litres of biochar for the job. To that, add about 400 millilitres of water to pre-moisten, which it will readily absorb. Now thoroughly mix your biochar with your potting mix. For a 300mm pot, you'll need about 13 litres of potting mix plus your 1.5 litres of biochar. Use a 10-litre bucket for a large measure and a 1 or 2 litre jug for your smaller amounts. Tamp down the mix when measuring, as it will compact in the pot when you water in the plant. Now fill your new pot with biochar boosted mix, leaving enough depth for your new plant. If you're interested to see how pyrocal produces its biochar, take a look at the short video in this series on the making of Terix Biochar.